In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on Booking.com. Adding this extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access by combining something you know, like your password, with something you have, such as a smartphone or an authenticator app. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without this second factor. Follow along with me as I guide you through this simple yet crucial process. First, you'll want to head over to Booking.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You can do this by locating the profile icon, which is usually found in the top corner of the web page. Click on this icon and then select My Profile from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. With your profile page open, look for the Manage Account section. It's typically one of the main options you'll see. Within this section, you'll want to find and click on Security Settings. This is where you'll set up the two-factor authentication. Taking this extra precaution can greatly enhance the security of your Booking.com account. Now, within the security settings, there should be an option to set up two-factor authentication. Click on this and you'll be directed to the setup page. Once you're there, you'll click Next to proceed with the setup. The system will prompt you to use your authenticator app to scan a barcode. If you don't already have an authenticator app, now's the time to download one onto your smartphone. Some popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your chosen app, and there should be an option to either scan a barcode or input a setup key manually. When the barcode is displayed on your screen, use the Authenticator app to scan it, and this will link the app with your Booking.com account. But don't worry if scanning isn't an option for you right now. There's an alternative. You can click on View Key on the website to reveal a setup code. Simply copy this code and paste it into your Authenticator app to manually add the account. After the setup is complete in your app, go ahead and click Next on the Booking.com page. The app will generate a 6-digit code tied specifically to this account. Enter this code back on the Booking.com setup page. Make sure you type it correctly, and when you're ready, click Submit. And just like that, you have now successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Booking.com account. Always remember to keep a backup of your authentication codes. Having something like this in place significantly boosts your online security, giving you peace of mind whenever you log in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your account safe and secure.